We define the 3 dB bandwidth of a low-pass filter. We start from the transfer function of the RC low-pass filter. We compute the magnitude of the frequency response. The 3 dB point corresponds to half power. Since power is proportional to the square of the magnitude, this gives a magnitude of 1 over square root of 2. We impose the 3 dB condition on the magnitude response. We now solve this equation step by step. We visualize the magnitude response and identify the cutoff frequency. We now represent the full complex frequency response in 3 dimensions. The 3 dB bandwidth is equal to 1 over RC.